Welcome everyone. This is Sri Lakshmi GS. I am here to take a seminar on topic 5D data storage. 5D optical data storage is a nanostructured glass for permanently recording digital data using femtosecond laser writing process. The memory crystal is capable of storing up to 360 terabytes worth of data for billion of years. Hitachi and Microsoft have researched and developed 5D optical storage technique. Contents: History, 5D data storage introduction, how data stores, write operation, read operation, rewriting, comparison, applications, advantages, disadvantages, conclusion. History of data storage. First one, punch cards, bracket 80 character. Second one, punch tab, 1000 character. Third one, Selectron tubes, 4096 bits. Fourth one, magnetic tab, bracket 5 MB to 140 MB. Fifth one, floppy disk, 256 kilobytes or KB. Sixth one, hard drive, 80 GB to 1 terabyte. Compact disk, 700 MB. The last one is DVD, 4.7 GB. 5D data storage. Introduction. Scientists at the University of Southampton have developed a 5D glass disk that can store 360 terabytes of data for billions of years. The disks are made out of nanostructured glass and the data is stored and retrieved using femtosecond laser writing. Data encoded in 5 dimensions by femtosecond laser writing. Nickname Superman memory crystals. First demonstrated in 2013 when a 300 KB digital copy of a text file was successfully recorded in 5D. Write data in 3 layers of nanostructured dots separated by 5 micrometers, that is 0.005 mm. Data in document was recorded using ultra-fast laser, producing very short and intense pulses of light. The file is written in 3 layers of nanostructure dots separated by 5 micrometers. Virtually unlimited lifetime at room temperature, 13.8 billion years at 190 degrees Celsius. The structure is made up of glass that can resist a temperature up to 1000 degrees Celsius. Data in document was recorded using ultra-fast laser producing very short and intense pulse of light. The file is written in 3 layers of nanostructures dots separated by 5 micrometers. How data stores? Position 3 spatial dimension. Retardance is equal to f of intensity, number of pulses. Slow axis is equal to f of polarization. Ultimate resolution of slow axis angle 5 degree and retardance 5 nanometer. 1 byte bracket 8 bits per spot. 32 states bracket 5 bits of slow axis orientation, 8 states bracket 3 bits of retardance. The recording process is done by focusing laser to imprint tiny dot called vowels. 0 is indicated by absence of a dot. A dot with different reflective index can be used to denote binary 1. Write operation. Data is written or entered into the glass via femtosecond laser moving at a high speed. A femtosecond is millionth of a billionth of a second, while write operation 0 is indicated by absence of a dot. A dot with a different reflective index can be used to denote binary 1. Femtosecond laser. SLM spatial light modulator. FL Fourier lens. Lambda by 2 m half wave plates matrix. Magna Carta coded in 5D. The micron sized dot which the nanograting are stored in. Universal Declaration of Human Rights recorded into 5D optical data. Read operation. A laser scanning device used. Another way of reading data is by using microscope and a polarizer. The surface contains flat reflective areas and non-reflective bump. Those areas are detected by using amount of later light they reflect. A flat reflective area represents binary 0 and reflective bumps represent binary 1. BX51 optical microscope is used to read rewriting. The 5D data storage based on nanograting can be also erased and rewritten. The initial nanograting can be replaced with new one whose direction is dependent on the incident rewrite laser beam. Red squares. Comparison. Here we did a comparison between different memory devices. So here we take 4 memory devices: CD, DVD, Blu-ray, 5D. The comparison is based on 3 factors: capacity, last long, speed. First one, capacity. CD 0.7 GB capacity, DVD 4.7 GB capacity, Blu-ray, 23.5 GB capacity, 5D 36 TB per disc. Last long, CD 5 years, DVD 7 years, Blu-ray 7 years, 5D 10 raised to 20 years. Speed, CD 150 kilobyte per second, DVD 1.3 MB per second, Blu-ray 4.5 MB per second, 5D 100 MB per second. Current writing speed 12 KB per second. Current capacity 6 GB per layer, 50 layers, 28 GB per disk. Advantages of 5D: high capacity, long lifetime. Applications: highly useful in companies which have to take their backup every 3-4 years. Museums can preserve their data for billions of years. History of mankind can last indefinite time. Organizations that want to preserve their information a huge amount of time can use this technology. Huge amount of data can be stored at a time on a single disk. Advantages: the storage allows 360 TB per disk data capacity. Thermal stability up to 1000 degrees Celsius. Virtually unlimited lifetime at room temperature, that is 13.8 billion years at 190 degrees Celsius. Portable memory, highly useful for organizations with big archives such as national archives and museums and libraries to preserve their information and records. Disadvantages: first one, expensive lasers are needed to fabricate the discs. The second disadvantage is due to technology. It's hard to imagine 5D discs would support multiple write processes. The third disadvantage is it is expensive to deploy and maintain. Conclusion: first, the discs are made out of nanostructured glass and the data is stored and retrieved using femtosecond laser writing. Second, 5D disks can store information within their interior using tiny physical structures known as nanogratings, much like those bumpy lines in the CDs. Third, currently unavailable to consumer or most of the industry until much later. Devices would be able to store much more data. This technology brings us one step closer to preserve data for much longer. Thank you.